video will introduce you to the world's largest mall in Dubai. The Dubai Mall is a shopping mall. Opened to the public on 4th November 2008. Located in the heart of the prestigious downtown Dubai. The Dubai Mall, the most visited retail and entertainment destination, which welcomes more than 80 million visitors annually. The Dubai Mall has over 1,300 retail outlets, including two anchor department stores, Galeries Lafayette and Bloomingdale's, and over 200 food and beverage outlets. We would like to present you with the following attractions for your great interest to welcome you for everything. One of the world's most spectacular malls, it promises to be a leisure and entertainment experience like no other. Prepare to have all your expectations exceeded. Dubai Fountain Show, the beautiful evening fountain dance shows a breathtaking extravaganza of water, sound and light daily from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. every 30 minutes, show free to watch. The sprays of water over 150 meters in the air. Unique water expressions set to musical pieces with 6,000 light and color projectors. The walking board and Abra boat ride in water, with the amusement of music in surroundings, will make your evening memorable. At the top, Burj Khalifa, the world's biggest tower, has located its reception at the ground floor of Dubai Mall, where you can book your tickets while standing in a queue or book online with us to save time and skip the line. Dubai Aquarium, an underwater zoo, set off against a world-class aquarium, which is the largest viewing panel on the planet. More than 33,000 aquatic animals including sand tiger, sharks and stingrays. The underwater zoo and the ocean school education program, glass bottom boat rides and shark dives available. The Souk, the Dubai Mall is a place where retail therapy can be followed by the world's largest indoor gold souk. It is a must-see sight to experience purchasing gifts for your near and dear. Food Court, the food court consists of the international brands like Albaik, McDonald's, KFC, Burger King and pizza stuff with varieties of Asian, Chinese and European taste. Weekdays food courts timing from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. and weekends from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. Waterfall, a waterfall featuring sculptures, is a brilliant art installation with human divers made of fiberglass made for tourists' attraction and photography. The Ski, an Olympic-sized ice rink, learn to skate programmer for everyone from beginners to advanced skaters, the city's most spectacular stage for figure skating events, hockey matches and ice shows, a new venue for concerts, events and much more. Cinema Reel, cinema's movie theater experience, it with watching the latest movies in the most luxurious seats, mind-blowing screens plus dine-in cinema at Dubai Mall. Kidzania and PVRK, the most amusement children's center in Dubai Mall, including an indoor playground with realistic setups, where kids jump into the world of grown-up work and enjoy, one can call it children funland. ATM machines, it's easy to use your debit credit card and get cash money from the ATM machines. All banks and money exchanges are available at Dubai Mall. Guests services at Dubai Mall, Mall Event Information Desk, Children's Wristbands. Locker services. Lost and Found. Club car service, EasyJet taxi. Power bank. Free Wi-Fi. Mobile phone charging. Station prayer rooms for men and women. Rest rooms for men and women with baby changing rooms. Emergency room response 24 hours on-site security.